It's going good at Bin Hong. My nickname is Fortran. I'm 17 years old. From Stupid Here to School.
สวัสดีครับ I'm ธรรมวิสามกุล or you can call me Web. I'm 17 years old and now a 12th grader. Well, nice to meet you all.
Hi everyone, I'm Pao Pao. My full name is Professor Tanarut. I'm 17 years old from Student Theatre School. And before we get started, so first of all, call me Mr. Christian because I've got a lot of questions in my head and I'm so wonder where does this go. So, what's in this video? This video will answer all the questions I have got and walk you all together with me to the end. So, for Tran, what are we exactly going to do today?
Right, so basically what we are going to do, or what we have done, was to make a brain for an Astrobee. For it to make the decision, choose a pathway by its own, and then it will move to each coordinate, especially 3D coordinates, and scan the QR code, collect information, and shoot. So we're going to go through what are those ideas.
So, what is the target and how can we get there?
That's a good question, because we are actually having the same goal that we need to shoot the laser and fix ISS.
The problem is we don't know if we are on the same page or not. Okay, so how did we make the simulator out of C# code? So we code a cube to act as a Astrobee and we make a chamber that is rectangular. Then we add obstacles and now we can start to program it to move. So we program it to move as we want to avoid the obstacles and see if we can do anything to let it decide by itself to avoid the obstacles.
What's about the way? How do we know that the way we shoot is correct and how do we control it?
Oh yeah, we need to find a better solution. How about this? A Google Map. Google Map, once we enter our destination, there are many routes for us to find, right? Based on the traffic, shortest route, and that's exactly what we're going to talk about. The same idea in Google Map. It have lots of network from place to place. But what we're looking here is we're trying to find the shortest path, and that requires an algorithm called Digestar. What it will do is it will connect place to place. From 2 to 9, we're going to write down those numbers, and 6 from this to this. But as we see, from here to here, 3 plus 2 is 5, while this one is 6, and that is a shorter path. So instead, we're going to write 5 from 6. And we're going to do the same thing all over again, connect to places to find the shortest length until we get to the end.
So, if there are obstacles during the way, how can we keep away from it?
That's another big problem, because to be a cube, it's hard to control whether this will hit and other will not. So what we're going to simply answer this question is we cover a sphere and have an Astrobee inside it, so we can make sure that the longest length is the length here, and make sure that it will secure to the rest. So in network, our nodes are linked together. Node have exact point of the coordinate 3D one, while link connects between nodes, just like this. ID 0123 containing X, Y, and Z information, while link connects between nodes and define which node to which node. So what it will do, let's say this is an Astrobee, is it will avoid the KOC in between and delete all of the nodes and link.
Did you know why did we collect those QR codes?
I know, because our mission is to close the leak. But the problem is we don't know where the leak is. What we have to do is to collect the information from the QR code for coordinate of orientation of the quaternion.
Wait, just to add from what Pao said, he is right that each QR code is X, Y, Z in orientation, but those are constant node. However, in the final node, or what we call the magic node, this is special because it varies and it can move from place to place. But however, everything was collected from the information.
To conclude this, we work on 3 things: 3D network, shortest path algorithm, and mission.
Dream don't work unless we do it. And we did it. Thank you to the word teamwork. We compare each other as a piece of jigsaw. One of us couldn't be outstanding. And if we were putting into the wrong piece, we couldn't make such a picture. But we 3 did. So the word teamwork of us is so powerful that each of us has different strength and different talent. When one fall, another pull. When one rise, another please. Because of the word teamwork, we could do such a thing. And thank you to all.